Financial planning, lesson number 4, practice set 4.1. Question number 3, Messrs Real Paint sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is rupees 2800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the invoice. Now see here, we have given taxable value of each tin, means one tin is equal to rupees 2800. Then from this value we will find the taxable value of two tins. From the value of one article, when we find value of many articles, then we do product of number of articles into the value or taxable value of each tin. Therefore, taxable value of two tins here is equal to the taxable value of each tin into number of tins, Therefore, rupees 2800 into 2 is equal to rupees 5600. Now we have also given rate of GST. Rate of GST is equal to 28%. Now from this we will find out amount of GST. By using this formula. Amount of GST is equal to taxable value of two tins into rate of GST. Therefore, amount of GST is equal to rupees 5600 into 28 upon 100. Therefore, here 00 cancelled. Now, the product of these two is equal to rupees 1568 rupees. This is amount of GST. Amount of GST is equal to rupees 1568. Now the question is, find the amount of CGST and HGST charged in the tax invoice. Therefore, we write the another important formula, that is amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST is equal to 1 upon 2 into amount of GST. Means these two are half of amount of GST. Therefore, amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST is equal to rupees 1 upon 2 into, that is amount of GST. Amount of GST, that is 1568. Now when we divide here, then we get amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST, that is equal to 2 7s are 14 and 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. Therefore, the amount of CGST is equal to amount of HGST is equal to rupees 784. This is our answer.